What is going on, guys? My name is Mechanic Mayhem, and this is my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install wiper blades. So, what I want you to do is like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting a lot more upcoming videos, so be on the lookout for those. Alright guys, let's head over to my mom's car and get started. Alright guys, so we've got my mom's 2011 Honda Pilot here. I'm just going to show you how this works. So you got your wiper blade. This thing is hooked onto a little arm that is attached inside of the hood, kind of. So what I want you guys to do, if you're taking this off, put it perpendicular to the hook part, and put your fingers in there like that, and just pull down, and that'll pop it right out. So guys, what this little hook is, there's a little hook, it's a little area inside it. I should turn it the other way so you guys can actually see it. There's a little round part inside of here that hooks into this hook. And this hook is what holds the wiper blade in place. So I'll show you how to put it back on here. All you got to do, you got to raise, wrong way. So you got to put it back in so it looks like it's okay. Then push up. That's all you got to do. And that's how you do it, guys. Alright guys, let's head back over to my bench. Alright guys, this has been how to install wiper blades. Please, like I said at the beginning of this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be making a lot more upcoming videos. Alright guys, I'm going to call off here and tell you guys to take her easy. So, peace.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my head.